Welcome to Pixel Composer 1.16.8. In this version, coming with a lot of new nodes related to the fluid simulation system. There's also a work on the user interface and new widget as well, so let's get through it. So the first set of nodes here is related to the flip fluid simulation. We have the fluid destroy node, which will destroy the fluid particle. We have the new fluid repel and vertex node. We have the flip to VFX node, which will convert the fluid particle into a VFX particle that you can then use to generate some interesting effect. Then we have the rigid body wall node, which is an easier way to create a wall or floor in the rigid body system. And then we have the MK delay machine node, which will create animation by delaying image multiple times and then overlay it with each other. So for example, we can have an object animation like this, send it to the delay machine. Now immediately it's just gonna delay the image multiple times and then overlay it. But then you can give it different image blending based on the frames or the opacity based on the frames. And now as you can see, we can create some interesting effect from that. Then we have a series of node improvement. A lot of them are also related to the fluid simulation, from the spawner, the renderer, the domain, and the collider. Then we have the gravity controller for the rigid body groups, and the mesh transform node also being reworked to make it easier to use, and the polar coordinate also got the type properties. Then we have the work on the user interface side of things. First is a better interaction with nested frames in the graph panel. So you can now select the frames and even now also select all the nested frames inside it. And for the preview panel, there's a button to lock the preview node so that it can only preview one object or one node at a time. The sliding interaction look different. Some of the widgets like the rotator, the area data, all of them are being reworked to be more compact and easier to use and understand. And as usual, we have the little bug fix in this version that you can see here. And one last thing before we go is that I'm starting to stream the development of Pixel Composer on this same channel. Now it's not anything serious, it's just a way for me to be more focused on the development and be less distracted. So there's not gonna be a lot of commentary or stuff like that, it's just gonna be me sitting here and coding. But if you have some question that you want to ask in like real time, then you can come in the live chat and I will answer it. Also, we are very close to the next major update now. So in the next subversion, the next 1.16.9 is probably just gonna be about bug fix and some compatibility update to make sure that the next stable version will be rolled out smoothly. So for now, thank you for watching and see you in the next one.